Okay, so I barely got out my Jonathon Majors sentencing video before there was an update. And this update includes when he's going to get sentenced. And it's not till April. So, here is the update. Jonathon Majors must wait until April to find out whether or not he's going to jail for his domestic violence conviction. After a delay and brief hearing that just ended Tuesday, oh my God, Judge Michael Gaffey told his Manhattan courtroom that the Creed 3 star will be back April 8th to learn his fate. While prosecutors and Majors' defense team were in court in person, Majors appeared virtually for the 5-minute session. Majors was arrested last spring in New York after a chauffeured car ride with his then-girlfriend, Grace Jabari, turned into a violent argument that spilled into the street. Convicted of reckless assault and harassment by a jury on December 18th, Majors faces a sentence that could range from probation to a year behind bars as a first-time offender in a misdemeanor case. The long-scheduled sentencing was initially supposed to occur this morning in NYC, but that went out the window as the defense filed a not unexpected motion to set aside the verdict. The district attorney's office has until March 5th to respond to the motion. With zero April Fool's Day irony, Gaffey said he intends to make a ruling on the defense motion by April 1st. For today's hearing, Majors, who was out of state according to his lawyer, appeared on a flat-screen TV at the back of the courtroom wearing a clay-collared crew neck sweater over a white t-shirt. The actor responded to 2 brief procedural questions from Gaffey with, "Yes, sir," while his 2 lawyers and the prosecutors sat in the web. The judge adjourned the case and told Majors, "I want to remind you that the protection order is in effect," referring to the order forbidding contact with Jabari. How long does he have to follow this order before Gaffey figures out that Majors has absolutely zero interest in going anywhere near this woman? Now, as I stated before, I kind of believe both of them. On the one hand, if things go the way they said it did, Majors did go a bit far. He was a bit too forceful. But on the other hand, she basically, I wouldn't say she asked for it, because I'm not going to victim blame, but she didn't help her cause any. So, but do I believe that he's abusive and manipulative? Abusive, again, mentioned the text message, can't figure out how that could mean anything else. And manipulative, the suicide thing, don't know. That could go either way. So yeah, I don't believe everything that comes out of Jabari's mouth, but yeah, if things happen the way they did. But do I think he should go to jail for this? No. Because the jury figured out that it's accidental, which I didn't think was a criminal charge. But, yeah. Yeah, this whole case reminds me of Mice and Men. It really, really does. Only I think Majors isn't as mentally compromised. He's just a narcissist, but not mentally compromised. So, yeah. Anyway, that's all I have for this update. And hopefully you will not hear from me about this case anymore till April. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video.